This is Dave Espino, and in this video I'd like to answer the question, what are the best ways to make a passive income in 2018? Now, when it comes to making money online in general, there are all kinds of ways to make money online. But if you're narrowing it down to making a passive income, there's really only a few key ways to generate a passive income online. I'm going to mention a few of those key ways, and then I'm going to mention what I call the world's most perfect business, the most perfect way to create a passive income. So let's start with one of the most obvious, and that's creating review websites for Amazon products. When you create a review website for an Amazon product, what you're doing is you're reviewing a product and you're writing a review and you're posting your affiliate link to that product on Amazon. So you're benefiting from the Amazon affiliate program. Now, the Amazon affiliate program pays pretty well, although on retail products or physical products, the percentage is pretty low. But the benefit of the Amazon affiliate program is if they add other things to their cart, you get paid on all that stuff as well. So it's really a good business around the holidays, around Christmas time, because that's when people are shopping a lot on Amazon. And so those are some boom times for people who are Amazon affiliates. Now that's one way to make money, but what you have to do is you have to really build a lot of review websites, or you have to review a lot of products and really build it up over time to be able to make a decent income. Another way to make a passive income is to be an affiliate for a really highly responsive affiliate program. Now I'm going to have a link to the affiliate program that I recommend below this video that I've made as much as $5,800 a month with this program. But when you do that, you want to be sure that the program that you're promoting is really good at converting visitors into sales. And you also want to be sure that they have a good cookie that works for a long time. Really, a lifetime cookie is the best. And what that means is that when somebody visits your website or your review page or your video that reviews and uses your affiliate link to click through, that even if they don't buy that first time, they're tagged with your cookie so that if they buy sometime in the future, you still get paid. And the affiliate program that I'm mentioning down below this video on YouTube is really an incredible program where the people who are marketing the product are masters at converting visitors into sales, even down the road. Now, what is, in my opinion, the best way by far to create a passive income? Well, it's what I call the world's most perfect business. And the world's most perfect business is when you create a how-to video course. You take your superpower, that is your knowledge, your experience, your skills, your talents, and you put it into a how-to course. You basically create a how-to course showing people how you do what you do and how you do what you're good at. Now, that's one way to do it. Another way to do it is to simply hire somebody that's good at something and create a course, and now you own the rights to that course, right? When you do this and you set up an automated system to market your course for you, now you've got an incredible passive income that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. It's an incredible business. And the beauty of this is it doesn't take a long time to start seeing results like it does in the affiliate marketing game. In fact, you could start seeing results your first month. One of my students created a course about baking sourdough bread, and in her first month she made $3,000 with that one course. That's how quick it can happen. So you could take your superpower, create a course on it, and within a month or two start making money from that course. It's a lot faster, in my opinion, than the affiliate marketing game. So if you'd like to know more about what I call the world's most perfect business, be sure to get your copy of my book. It's a free download. It's available at the link below this video. And if you'd like to continue to learn more about the online course business, I'm making a lot of videos about the online course business. I've been in the business for 18 years. I have over 60 courses published online on various platforms, as well as self-hosted courses. And I have students all over the world that are engaging with my online courses. So be sure to subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next video.